Yeah, so basically, if you buy a bottle from us, you will get a unique QR code. So when you take the bottle to the Aquafina station, you can scan it, and you have options like still water, sparkling water. You also have options like which flavors you want, like normal water, raspberry, lime, strawberry, peach, lime. You can select that. On top of it, you can select the amount of sparkling you want, the amount of flavor, the temperature you require, and also the quantity of water you want. Yeah, and every bottle will give you 10,000 times refilling. So we have a number of water stations placed around the Expo region, so you can fill as much water as you want, and you can have fun. And every water bottle costs around 40 dirhams each. And we have also the sling bag to carry, which will help to keep your water cooler for a longer time, and that also costs for around 30 dirhams each. Okay. Thank you so
And also
much.
in the bottle there is like a logo, right? Expo 2020.
Yeah, it is a limited edition Aquafina water bottle.
Wow.
So you will not find it anywhere around, only in Expo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow, guys, I'm so
Thank you.
excited, guys. Thank you
Pleasure.
so
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi guys.
Hi,
So,
guys. So-
another good souvenir you can have in Expo 2020 is the bottle, which is Aquafina bottle. It is a limited edition Aquafina bottles that you can refill here in Aquafina refill station in Expo 2020. Guys, so ngayon, ito kami magre-refill sa Aquafina.
Guys, here.
So guys, she's scanning our barcode. Sparkling. Strawberry. Light. A bit, no, medium.